Hello everyone and welcome to the EDC for Fun channel. My name is Dennis. Thanks for checking out the video. Today we're looking at a package that came in from Bastion. So Bastion is a company that makes pens. I've bought a few of them over the years. Kept one for myself and given many out as gifts. They reached out to me and asked if I'd like to take a look. And I saw they had a new model and I was really happy to go ahead and do that because I've bought their stuff before and I like it. So doing the honors unboxing today, the Luft Avant. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, high quality materials, innovative innovative design, superior craftsmanship. What else they got on here? We believe everyone writes their own story, whether you spend it making plans, achieving your goals, or reflecting on your success. Every day is a new page. Bastion guarantees your pen performs. Here's the model number there. Go ahead and, oops, sorry, bumped the camera there. Okay, so this is our first look out of the box at the new Slim line. And this one is all black, and I believe it is stainless. Let's see, hang on one second. No, it's titanium. Check that out. Or is it aluminum? I forget. I'll figure out which one it is and put that up on the screen here, but it is definitely not magnetized except for the clip. It's my little Olight, by the way. S1R2 Baton 2, super trusty EDC light. So anyway, like I was saying, this is the slim model as compared to the older model. You can definitely see the difference in thickness there. Substantially thinner, also substantially more lightweight. Grab a weight real quick. That's a nasty glare. All right, so the slim coming in at 0.8 ounces. Here's my old standard one, 2.8 ounces. So 2 ounces lighter. That's pretty awesome. And like I showed you a second ago, it is substantially thinner, but it has the same J-shaped bolt action on it, which I really like. It's clicky, it's fidgety, it's positive, very satisfying using this pen. Before we get to that any further, we'll take a look at the clip. I actually like this clip. It's not a super deep carry, but it carries deep enough. But it is built, pretty well. I have gotten this one snagged on, seat belts and things like that. And I think once it bent a little bit, and I was able to just use the Torx bit there and take that off and bend it back. So no big deal. Speaking of pocket clips bending, here's a tactile turn that I have not quite been able to get to bend back. This one also snagged on a seatbelt, and you can see it sticks up from the body a little bit there. Not the end of the world, but it is a thing. So I haven't bothered really to try and take this fully apart and get that bent back. And like I said, it's not that big of a deal. But Some of you guys might want to know about that. So this one's worked out really well. I suspect this one will too. Very snappy. I like it. Man, this thing is crazy light. I mean, it feels like nothing. We got our little wax or whatever there. Let's pull that off. All right, it's pretty nice. It does take Parker refills, just like the ones that this one takes here, I presume. Go ahead and pop this open. And this one's branded Bastion, but pretty sure that these Parker refills will fit in there. Let's see. Yep, looks like the same thing. Let's see. We are blue now. I'm not sure you can, yeah, there you go. You can see that there. So right smooth enough. Let me go ahead and put the black cartridge back in there. And these are Parker Quink Flow. Yeah, there is an N in there, Quink Flow, not Quick Flow. If you're curious, you can get these on Amazon. I've got a bunch of them. But they work well. Let's set that aside. Get this guy back in here. See, I'm really impressed with the lightness of this pen. It does feel really good in hand, so you can probably go for extended periods of time writing and not, feel, like it's not that a pen's that heavy, but I mean, there's definitely a difference when you're holding a, basically a 3-ounce pen versus a less than 1-ounce pen. If you're writing for an extended period of time, you're probably going to appreciate this one a little bit more. And especially if you're EDCing a pen, if you've got this in your pocket, you're definitely going to be more appreciative of the lightweight. And you're really going to like that snappy, fidgety action that this thing has. Go ahead and get a close-up here. My one complaint is that the bolt does kind of stick out a little bit. It would be nice if it was a little bit smaller. Like if you look at the bolt head on the tactile turn, it's flat instead of rounded like this one is. And it's got still enough that you can actuate it without missing it. So I don't think it needs to be that bulbous. It'd be nice if it was just a flat disc like this versus something like this. You know for sure you're not going to miss this. But like I said, it doesn't need to be that big. While we're comparing sizes, I might as well get this out. So we've got next to a standard Sharpie there. And we'll go with the ruler. We're at basically just over 5 1/4. There's far as the diameter goes, about 3/8. Yeah. So I like it. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have Bastion pens? I think they go for around, depending on which ones you get. This one's probably, I think, around 50 bucks on Amazon. They're more expensive if you buy direct from Bastion. So if you want to save a couple bucks, look at Amazon. But they've got models that go all the way up with, you know, crazy materials and patterns and stuff. You're going to get, you know, over $100+ You're into, like, you know, tactile turn kind of territory there with all the different materials that they use. I don't think they use anything crazy like Tactile does. Tactile Turn has like superconductor and, you know, crazy zirconium stuff. But it looks like Bastion might be heading that direction. Last time I was perusing on their website, I saw some stuff that was creeping in that kind of territory with all the different colors and patterns and materials and stuff. So that's actually kind of exciting because, like I said, I have a history with this company, and so far I've been really happy with them. So I'll go ahead and do a little sketching here. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. God bless you. See you.